Oh, fo, I cannot wait to eat my fried chicken, fo. Well, let me go do some real quick. Like use the bathroom. Oh, fo, I gotta go to the bathroom so freaking bad, fo. I cannot wait to eat my fried. Go, oh, got the lot, fo. Okay. Okay, fo. I think that was good, fo. Okay, fo. Okay, fo. Okay. Let's go get my chicken now, fo. Oh wait, I forgot to wipe. I forgot to wipe my butt. Oh, fo. Oh, fo. Okay, fo. Okay, fo. Now let's go eat my fried chicken. Oh, wash my hands. Okay, fo. Where's gooses? Now let's just go get some fried chicken, and we'll be good, fo. We'll be good.
So freaking good.
Fo, what? Who are you, fo? Why you eating my chicken? Fo, you stupid sis here. Fo, Marvis, Marvis. I need you, Marvis. Okay,
Yeah.
Marvis. I need you to kill Luigi's.
Alright.
You got the fool who thinks he's black and he wears his hat up.
Yeah, alright, folks. Yep.
Okay, let's go get him, fool. Go get him. Good job, fool. You're good. Now let's just go eat our chicken.
Yeah, folks. You eat the chicken, folks.
Yeah, fool. Let's go eat our chicken. Okay, fool. Oh, fool, why don't you eat my chicken?
No, it's my chicken, folks.
Fool, this is my chicken.
I killed Luigi, folks.
Fool, I don't care, fool. You give me that gun, fool. You stupid idiot. Fool, I was gonna kill you. Okay, fool. SNL's question. What would you do if your stupid cousin ate your fried chicken? Funniest comments, well, they get a shout out in my next video, fool. So I just gonna eat my chicken. Goodbye, fool.